Welcome back. When dealing with data like system logs, transaction records, or scheduled events, you often need to organize them chronologically. Fortunately, datetime objects in Python are natively comparable, meaning you can use standard sorting functions directly on lists of these objects. 1. Comparing datetime objects. Python makes time comparison intuitive. You can use standard comparison operators like less than sign or greater than sign directly between any two datetime objects. The comparison is based on the absolute point in time. If one object is chronologically earlier than another, the comparison will reflect that. This is the foundation of sorting. 2. Sorting in ascending order. Because datetime objects are comparable, you may simply pass a list of them to Python's built-in sorted parenthesis function. By default, it will sort the list chronologically from the earliest time to the latest time, known as ascending order. The output here clearly shows the January date comes first, followed by March and then May. 3. Sorting in descending order. If you need to see the most recent events first, a common requirement for log displays or news feeds, you may use the optional keyword argument reverse set to true. This sorts the list in descending order, meaning the latest date and time will appear first in the resulting list. To summarize, sorting time is straightforward in Python because the datetime objects handle the complexity. Our next lecture 25.06. Sleep. See you there.